But since this is the last gathering of the 3-day training session, I would request whoever feels like sharing whatever can share. Okay, sir. On the behalf of all my colleagues and friends, I really appreciate the effort taken by sir and madam also. So we have the backup team also. जैसे हम एनर्जी की बात करते हैं सर की, तो डेफिनेटली सर के पास एनर्जी तो है। डेफिनेटली 3 दिन से कंटिन्यू सर एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं हमको, डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज से इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हैं। शर्मा मैडम भी है साथ में। तो सर के यहाँ पर एनर्जी के साथ में सर का यहाँ पे पैशन भी दिख रहा है कि डेफिनेटली विदाउट पैशन तो ये नहीं हो सकता। डेफिनेटली आपका जो टीचिंग देने का स्टाइल है, देन डिफरेंट स्किल्स हम लोग यहाँ से सीख के जा रहे हैं। सो वी कैन डेफिनेटली फॉलो एंड उसको कैसे एनहांस कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। सो रियली वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव session all 3 days study. Number of things we have taken, we are taking as a positive. So I am sure that is very helpful for all of us. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So once again we are very thankful to sir and all the team. Though we have been a teacher for a longer period of time, maybe 5 years, 6 years or 8 years, but still we are a student, we are a learner, and he has rightly said, I think in yesterday's sessions, that throughout our life we are a student, and there were heck of life to be learned from him, from the team, the way they have collaborated, the way they have come up with different ideas. Now we know all the techniques, all the methods, we know almost all the approaches in the classroom, but still there is a lot to be explored, there is a lot to be seen and to be found. So definitely there were insights, very significant insights given by sir, and these 3 days were completely engaging. There was not an hour or we can say half an hour also which was then kind of disconnected, or it was just like the things were at 6s and 7s. So it didn't happen throughout these 3 days. So that was really amazing, sir. And yesterday only I mentioned that this is a kind of learnable thing from him and the team, that you can come up with different ideas, and they seem to be very exciting, and they were the things that we should take from them and we should carry them forward and serve the society, serve the children, and hence our nation. इतना होने के बाद भी ऐसा लगता है कि और कुछ है, मतलब जहाँ पर हम लोग अभी तक पहुँचे नहीं है, कि देर आर मेथड्स, टेक्निक्स, अप्रोचेस, प्रॉब्लम्स भी है जो वी हैवंट डग आउट। ऐसा हो सकता है कि प्रॉब्लम्स तक हम लोग रीच ही नहीं हुए, तो देयर इज़ नो वे टू फाइंड आउट अ सोल्यूशन। तो हमको ये भी करना है कि हमारे जो डेली प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं इन टीचिंग मेथड और टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस और इन अ स्कूल, so we should know them first, then come up with different ideas, and especially we can have such a kind of forums and meetings. ये बात बहुत अच्छी लगी मुझे कि सेशंस में हम लोग जब साथ में थे तो कुछ लोग मतलब बोलते कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन उनके पास सोल्यूशंस इतने अच्छे रहते हैं, सिर्फ वो बोलते नहीं है। अगर उन्होंने बोला तो दैट वुड बी अ काइंड ऑफ एन आइसिंग ऑन द केक कि हम सबको उसका फ़ायदा मिलेगा। अभी जो यहाँ पर हमारी कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हुई है ये 3 दिनों में कि जो हम क्लासरूम में वी कैन एग्जीक्यूट डेली। क्लासरूम में हम लोग उनको एग्जीक्यूट करके हमारा काम, हमारा जो मेहनत है वो कम करके फ्रूट्स अच्छे ला सकते हैं। मतलब बच्चों का एंगेजमेंट हो या बच्चों का अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो, बच्चों का स्किल्स ग्रो करना हो, तो वी कैन हैव दीज थिंग्स, वी कैन एक्सपेरिमेंट राइट अवे इन द क्लासरूम, राइट देयर इन द क्लासरूम, एंड हैव डिजायरेबल रिजल्ट्स and better results, and that is what is going to make us happy. Even the children will be happy along with the parents, and that is what is expected, highly expected from every one of us. So once again, thank you so much, sir.
Clap.
Thank you so much for
सबसे पहले अक्षर का बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने बहुत सारी ट्रेनिंग शिक्षण सेवक ने अटेंड की है, लेकिन हम एक्चुअली इंग्लिश मीडियम से बिलोंग करते हैं। हमने पहली टाइम टोटली इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश मैक्सिमम टाइम सुना है, तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे। और जो आपका पढ़ाने का समझने का तरीका वो बहुत मेमोरेबल है, माइंड ब्लोइंग है, बोल नहीं सकते। और जो आपका टोटल स्टाफ है बहुत कोऑपरेटिव है, हम्बल है, जो आपका जो ऑनेस्टी है बहुत अच्छी है, वो बहुत अच्छी लगे हम सबको, मेरे को नहीं हम सबको। और हमारे शिक्षण सेवक की तरफ से, एक्चुअली शिक्षण सेवक बहुत गाली मोड है लेकिन यूज़ करना पड़ता है। तो हमारे सबके तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और हम ट्राई करेंगे कि इसको स्कूल में जाके इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करें। थैंक यू।
और आपसे मिलने के लिए भी अभी एंटिसिपेट दैट लाइक व्हेन यू सी इन फर्दर लाइफ।
सब आओ।
Everything else has been covered by all the teachers already. So I just make a long story short. Thank you so much for all these 3 days. I had my sports in the morning, but still I told them that I need to go to the seminar, back to the seminar, because I want to be here. So I came back running here, even though there was sports still going on outside. I would have waited there until the end of the day and said that I was there for the sports and I couldn't come back. But this is what you have earned, that I would fail to come back here, to be here, even though I was helpless and I was sleepless. I tend to sleep when I sleep. Yeah, so I was dozing off a bit, but these 3 days I would not forget, because as sir correctly said that we have attended many trainings or many seminars. Some people been RP for some of those seminars, right? But this one was more engaging than any of the training or the seminars that we have attended, and this is what we have earned. Thank you so much for all the efforts that you have taken for all these 3 days, and thanks to each and all of you to be supportive, collaborative, and very hardworking. All the best for the future.
From the lady teachers. Yes, from lady teacher. Yes.
Sir and everyone, please come inside. Miss Payalakshan, sir, please come inside. Miss, everyone. Miss, please come. I will not give too much time. Everyone is ready to go outside. But I just want to just few words about that. Whatever gave too much, this is too much. And it's memorable. Everything they gave us to do in our school also. We implement all the programs, all the tools and technique. The main focus is that to all-round development of students. So we will give whatever that some importance, whatever that we do remedies and whatever that we are always give positive response and 100% guarantee to give all these some kind of whatever the problems will come in the future. So we will give 100% surety to give whatever we have to give best to all the students. And this is what we say that you know that something last previous day, that is Gurukul system. जब गुरु ज्ञान देते हैं तो लास्ट एंड ऑफ द डे कि हमें कुछ तो दान देना चाहिए. तो शायद हमारा वक्त है कि हम कुछ दान देते हैं. तो हम ये दान देते हैं कि हम जो BMC के जो टीचर है, we make sure that is shining star of that BMC not only Maharashtra, in the directly for India. So please give a big hand for all this.
With that, if you want to conclude, great, and it was